Hello guys, welcome to Payet 5. We are at Naylor's Farm, North Carolina, and we are here with the CBC Camp at the Cove Summer Camp. And I'm gonna show you the different kinds of animals they have here on the farm. It's really so nice in here. Another horse, small one. Hello there. Yeah. And we have a donkey. Hello, donkey. What's your name, donkey? I think I can touch it. Donkey, donkey. You wanna eat, donkey? And they have bunnies here.
Don't accidentally kick them.
The cutie bunnies, different colors. Hi there.
There's one up there. Or probably two.
Hello there.
And that's the one that probably bites.
They bite?
I think it is because it's
careful.
in a separate cage.
Hello there. Hello there.
Maybe.
Make sure you wash your hands, alright? After you touch them. The beautiful peacock. Hello there. Can you show off, please, your beauty? Come on. Show me something, peacock. Come on, show me something. Open it. Come on, peacock.
His name is Effie. Such a pretty peacock. Oh, baby!
A big cow. Moo. Moo. The goats. Hello. The beautiful peacock. There you go. It's opening it. Thank you for showing me your beauty, peacock. And turn around, please. There you go. There you go. Wow, very nice. Come over here. Wow, you're so pretty. You're so pretty. You're looking for a partner, aren't you? There you go. Such a beauty. Beautiful peacock. Thank you. There we go. Wow. See the dots there? Oh, see. I hope you're not hungry. You wanna eat these leaves? Alright, bye. Thanks for watching, guys.